Okay, so today I'm going to go over step 1 of part 3 of this power supply lab. And I'm just going to skip all the calculations because you should be able to do that on your own. So let's see. Measure the actual resistance on this 2.2 kilo ohm resistor. .134. All right. So we're going to actually use this resistor instead of this rheostat. So I need to desolder that. Should be hot enough. Alright. I lost the resistor. Alright, found it. Now I'm just going to tag it on the rheostat. That way I don't have to completely redo everything later. It's just a reference resistor, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Now I'm going to have to measure the voltage with no load. All right, plug it in. .10 volts. I'm at 0.1 volts. Okay. Now I don't have a 1.5 kilo ohm resistor for part C, but I do have a 1.8 kilo ohm resistor. Let's see what that turns out to be. Now when you're measuring resistance, don't use your hands to hold on to the leads because your body has resistance and you won't get an accurate measurement. .768 kilo ohms. All right, H7 and H8. I was just verifying that that is the output of this power supply. So let's put a slight load on this. Now measure the voltage. Just say 9 volts. Alright, now current. 0.005, so 5 milliamps. Alright, we're going to skip power because we can just calculate that. And measure the actual resistance. Of this new high load resistor. I don't really want to make another one of these, so it's going to be what it is. Instead of 100 ohms, I think it's a 400 ohm or something like that, but we'll find out. 444.8. Should be good enough. Now we just replace that load resistor with this one. Now that should get this nice and toasty. Well, toasty in comparison to what it was before. Let's see what the new voltage is. .21. See what the current is. .19 milliamps. Calculations. Everything else is just calculations, so that's the end of step 1.